Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be going over of how to add a mod to my game I made in Unity that I released on EasterHunt. Okay, so first you're going to want to download in a program to make it so you can open DLL files, kind of. Yes, something like that. A .NET decompiler. I use dnspy. For some reason it's called that, but it's used by a lot of people. It's pretty good. So if you have a 64-bit computer, I'm guessing most of you probably have that. I have 64-bit. So then you'll just download that and unzip the file. Then you will, then I'll show you right now. So then you will go to wherever you installed your EasterHunt game, and you can go to the EasterHunt data. Don't worry, the installer is not going to be on it because that's just part of my development of it. So okay, so in your EasterHunt data, double click that. You'll have all of this stuff in it, and then you'll go to managed, and then right click your assembly C# DLL, left click it, then right click it, and then open with dnspy. By the way, it doesn't actually spy on you, okay? Okay, so you'll see this opens up. So now we're going to left click this arrow right next to assembly C#, and left click this arrow next to assembly C#.dll, and then go to this minus sign with brackets next to it, and now you have all of these. So what you're going to want to do, for a thing for if you want to up the movement speed, left click player movement here, and oh come on, I did it. I left clicked something wrong. Get this back in and left click it again. Okay, so you're going to want again. You're going to want to. It's weird. Keeps happening. You're going to want to press edit class C hashtag. That stands for C#. So this is the player movement script. So let's go to the edit C# class. Okay, now you can see we have velocity, rotate speed, and all of these inputs. So I'll just show you what all of these different keys mean and what all of these different things mean. So base.transform.translate means just transform.translate, I think, and then and then it'll transform and edit the transform of your object to a different spot. So if you want to up that speed, you're going to want to do edit this dot velocity. And by the way, in actual Unity coding, you don't do this dot normally, but I'm just using that. this dot because it would be a little more complex if you didn't use this dot something in mods. So now I'll just open it right now. Open the game. So we go into play, and you see we can move this fast. Okay, so let's quit desktop. Okay, so now that we upped it to, let's just do more like 500. So left click compile, file, save all, okay. And now when we open it and press play, oh, I edited the rotate speed. Come on. Yeah, you can see I rotate really fast now. Quit that. Edit the actual speed. Oh right, I have to edit this C# script. Edit class C#. Okay, this back down to 40. This to 500. Compile, file, save all. Okay. Now just double click the exe file, play, and there we go. Hyper movement speed. You can see we go through trees because I forgot to set a setting here, and the update speed isn't like infinite, so it makes it so that it actually moves. Wow, I just touched one without realizing. So now if you like, oh come on again. Left clicked in the wrong spot. No movement. Okay, so now if you want to add a this edit like the speed, the rotate speed, or the velocity, you can just go to the player movement and edit the speed there. So go back to 10. Oh right, I can't edit it right now. I have to go edit class, then do it back to 10F. F, I don't know what it stands for. It does. It just does something. I don't know what really does, but you just have to if it's a float and you have a decimal on it. But I just like to, even though I don't need it, like if I did this, I would need it. This would be wrong, it wouldn't work, but this is okay, and also this is okay, but I just like to keep the F right there. Okay, so so that's like the end of the tutorial. If you make any mods, you can comment on the itch.io page for the modding announcement that I just made on a modding thread. So you can just go to my last video and click the link in the description on this or that video, and then you can just go to the devlog and go to modding announcement. Go to something that resembles that, or 0.12 update or something like that. Yeah. So that's the end of this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.